Okay, so here's another example to solve an order of operation problem. So again, you have numbers and you have different operations. So we're going to go ahead and use the information that we know. So we use parentheses exponents, multiply, divide, left to right, add, subtract, left to right. So when you have parentheses, remember sometimes they'll have more than one operation, so you still use the same order. So in this case, we have subtraction and division, so we're going to do the division first. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. So I'm going to rewrite the equation, so that's 17 minus, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So I'm going to go ahead and add 4 to the second power. So all I did is solve what I underlined and rewrote everything else. Then the next part is to continue with parentheses. So in this case, 17 minus 6, so that's going to give you 11 plus 4 to the second power. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve 4 to the second power. Remember, 4 to the second power is 4 times 4. So 4 times 4, and that's going to give you 16. So I'm going to rewrite 11 plus 16, and then we're going to go ahead and solve 11 plus 16, which is 27. So my answer is 27. So in this case, their value for 17 minus 18 divided by 3 in parentheses plus 4 squared will give you 27. So again, if you notice, we do have that triangle because we're rewriting the problem and we're solving it step by step. So we went ahead and did that. So make sure that you're following those steps because that's going to help you get the correct answer. So go ahead and try the next problem. And if you have trouble solving the next problem, make sure you come back to this video. What? No. Why are you doing that?